Hi guys, this is Ober from Citron Technologies, Malaysia. Today I have a very exciting product to share with you. The Raspberry Pi 4 Model B computer. This is 1GB RAM version, and this is not April Fool joke. It's an actual product from Raspberry Pi Foundation. So this is the box. Let's take a look at the actual board. So this is the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B, 1GB of RAM. So let's look at the major upgrade on 4B compared to, let's say, 3B Plus or 3A Plus. Now first, they have upgraded the processor to A72, Cortex A72 instead of Cortex A53 on 3B Plus. And they are using 28 nanometer technology and it's running at 1.5 gigahertz of speed. And beside that, they have also upgraded the RAM from LPDDR2 on 3B Plus to LPDDR4 on 4B. And there are three variants. This is 1GB variant. There are RAM of 2GB and 4GB variant board. Okay. So beside that, the HDMI port is being upgraded also to dual HDMI. So why dual HDMI? Because Raspberry Pi 4B can support dual display or twin display, and it can support up to 4K multimedia at 60 frames per second. Now, beside the HDMI port, you notice the micro B on the 3B Plus and the older version of Raspberry Pi board is being upgraded to Type-C. So Raspberry Pi 4B can actually accept more power for the board. Now let's move to the USB and Ethernet port. Wow, the blue color indicate this is USB 3.0 port. And if you notice, the Ethernet port is being swapped with the USB port over here, and this is actually a 2 gigabit Ethernet port. So beside this, what are the changes? The Bluetooth is being upgraded to Bluetooth 5.0, and if you notice, the RAM is being moved from bottom layer to top layer. So I think that's all for the major upgrade. Let me just demonstrate the booting up or power up of the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B. First, you need the microSD card, okay, with the latest recipient or NUP, and you insert at the bottom here. Okay, so you can get it from us. We have the official Raspberry Pi microSD card from Raspberry Pi Foundation. It is preloaded with the latest NUPs that support Raspberry Pi 4 Model B. Okay, the second thing that you need is a micro HDMI to standard HDMI cable. So what I have here is just a small HDMI display. And last but not least is the USB Type-C power adapter. So the keyboard and the mouse is optional, but just to show you, let me just power up. And I think it's pretty fast because the processor and also the RAM is being upgraded, and the RAM is being upgraded more than 2 times the speed because it's DDR4 from DDR2, and of course the processor is running at slightly higher speed at 1.5 gigahertz. And actually Cortex A72 is quite efficient in terms of performance. So let's see. Wow, it's in already. So I can use mouse, I can scroll. It is very responsive. Let me open up browser. I have connected to internet through Wi-Fi. Okay, I didn't click it just now. So it's opened. Let me just browse to our website. Okay, www.citron.io. So this is our website. So that's all. It's pretty fast, and this is just 1 GB of RAM. Okay, you can get 2 GB or 4 GB. So if you like it, do share it and give us a thumb up. Thanks for watching, and see you in next video. Bye.